0.8 milligrams of this vitamin every day can lower creatinine levels fast, according to research, because it fights anemia. Catherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. With the goal of improving kidney health and lowering creatinine levels fast, today we will see the most promising innovative treatments when it comes to fighting anemia, a very common yet dangerous complication of CKD. Not many people know this, but taking care of anemia is one of the most effective ways to slow down kidney disease and, in some cases, to lower creatinine levels. If you have symptoms such as fatigue, cold hands and feet, or headaches, it's probably anemia. Sadly, anemia will not only make you feel tired, it damages the kidneys. Anemia is a condition in which the body has fewer red blood cells than normal, but your body needs those blood cells, and your kidneys too. We can basically say that if you want to beat kidney disease, you'll have to beat anemia too. And there are 5 vitamins all kidney disease patients with anemia should be focusing on. According to latest research, getting more of these key nutrients, either from foods or supplementation, can have dramatic benefits for those with kidney disease. Our number 5 in particular is extremely important for people with kidney disease. This one is involved in the production of red blood cells, and people with kidney problems really need more red blood cells to fight anemia. Number 5 is vitamin B9 or folate. This vitamin is crucial for your kidneys for 2 reasons. First of all, a deficiency in this vitamin can directly cause anemia and kidney damage. And even more interesting, according to a recent study, kidney disease patients in stage 3 who took 0.8 milligrams folate per day had a significantly slower progression of kidney disease. Yes, this vitamin can directly slow down kidney disease. And this is a very big study we're talking about. It was conducted on more than 15,000 test subjects over the course of more than 4 years, which is proof enough to get more of this really safe yet powerful nutrient. There are several ways to get more of this vitamin. First of all, focus on leafy greens. This is always great advice for good health. Foods such as asparagus, broccoli, but also seeds, nuts, cauliflower, and bell peppers are good sources of folate. Now, in the study I was mentioning, patients took 0.8 milligrams folate per day from supplements, which is 2 times the RDA for the general population. And while it's always better to consult a doctor before taking any supplement, this dose is considered safe. Now, what not everyone knows about vitamin B9 is that it should always be paired with another vitamin of the B group. And guys, this one is crucial not just for your kidneys, but for your heart too. Cardiovascular events such as strokes or cardiac arrests are extremely frequent in people with kidney problems, and researchers are starting to think that deficiency in the next vitamin I'm going to show you today can be causing them. Unfortunately, supplementing folate can sometimes hide a deficiency of this exact vitamin. I'll show you which vitamin can help with all this in a moment. Before that, an even more important question needs an answer. How can you tell if anemia is actually damaging your kidneys? In people with chronic kidney disease, symptoms of anemia include weakness and fatigue, headaches, problems with concentration, paleness, dizziness, difficulty breathing, and chest pain. So if you have CKD and have one or more of these symptoms, your doctor will probably order a complete blood count or CBC test. These tests are used to check the number of red blood cells, the hemoglobin, and how much iron you have in your body. It's an easy and reliable way of diagnosing anemia. If you haven't been diagnosed already and have any of these symptoms, talk to your doctor. The goal here is to begin the treatment for anemia as soon as possible. This is the best way to stop it from damaging your kidneys. However, this proactive thinking has only shown up in recent years. A good portion of doctors are still going by old standards. This means that if you think you are not receiving the correct treatment for anemia, you should get informed about it. Okay guys, time to see what vitamin can save your heart and your kidneys from anemia. Number 4 is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is the energy vitamin, and it's also another crucial vitamin to fight anemia and lower creatinine levels. Actually, these vitamins work together in the body with folate to create red blood cells. This is why having low levels of either vitamin B12 or B9 can directly cause anemia. And as I was saying, the downside is that supplementing folate can sometimes hide deficiencies of other vitamins, especially vitamin B12. And vitamin B12 deficiency is unfortunately associated with decreased risk of death. To make matters worse, this vitamin deficiency is very common. Just in the US, there are more than 3 million cases per year. So, how to tell if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency? Symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency include fatigue, joint pain, and dizziness, a pale yellowish skin, and a sensation like pins and needles in the hand. This is because this vitamin is essential for blood formation as well as brain and nerve function. Can you get enough vitamin B12 from the diet? The best sources of this nutrient are dairy, meat, eggs, and fortified foods. Yes, as you can tell from this picture, it's very hard for people with kidney problems getting enough vitamin B12 every day. So the only way to get enough vitamin B12 in kidney diet is to supplement it. Now, raising vitamin B12 levels through supplementation is also not the easiest thing to do. Some people need to take high doses of these vitamins sublingually, others to inject it. But never underestimate vitamin B12 just because it's hard to supplement. Remember that vitamin B12 and folate, when taken together, are one of the most effective ways of fighting anemia and kidney disease. And speaking of incredibly effective way of fighting anemia, there are 4 tips that can really help. Number 3, there are some easy tips to fight anemia all kidney patients should take advantage of. Eat more spinach. Spinach is probably the best food in the world when it comes to fighting anemia. It is one of the best plant-based sources of iron, but spinach also contains significant amounts of vitamins that are key to improve iron levels in the blood. But can you eat spinach if you have kidney disease, or is the potassium in this food too much? The answer is in my video up here. And also, supplement L-carnitine. Supplementing this nutrient may have incredible benefits for you. This natural compound is involved in the energy metabolism of the body. It really helps with anemia, but it can also fight inflammation and lower your blood pressure. Carnitine is only present in foods such as meat, poultry, and fish. If you aren't eating these foods, carnitine levels may be low, and this may cause kidney damage. I've talked more in depth about this in my recent video up here. Also, very useful against iron deficiency is iron cast cookware. This skillet is the best friend of people with kidney problems because when you cook, especially with acidic seasonings such as lemon or vinegar, some metal from your pot or skillet will leach into your food. Now, when you are using iron cast cookware, what will leach is precious iron, something you will otherwise need to supplement. Best part is that iron cast cookware often costs less than regular cookware, works with any type of stove, including electric ones, and will last you a lifetime. Just remember to use lemon abundantly when you cook with one of these. And also, improve your diet. For many patients, improving the diet is enough to increase hemoglobin significantly and lower creatinine. A simple trick to do this is eating foods rich in iron such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, big greens at the same time as a food rich in vitamins such as kiwi, lemon, strawberry, and more. Doing this regularly will provide your body with enough iron and it will make it bioavailable. Also consider vitamin B6. Just like B12 and folate, this vitamin is needed by the body to make red blood cells. Considering how important vitamins of the B group are, taking a B group supplement or a supplement made specifically for people with anemia may help. This one, for example, contains iron, folate, and vitamin B12. I'm not a great fan of supplements containing several ingredients though. They may not have the right dosages for you, so it's always best to be careful and to consult a doctor to know exactly what vitamins we need and in what quantities. Now, these dietary changes and supplements may help, but some patients, especially those in the advanced stages, may still need to take medications including erythropoietin and iron supplements. So, very important. If you have symptoms of anemia such as fatigue and paleness and you've not been diagnosed or are not being appropriately treated, talk to your doctor. This is the only way to ensure you are doing everything you can to stop anemia, which is crucial to lower your creatinine and improve kidney function. Now, when it comes to fighting anemia and kidney health in general, there's one vitamin that we absolutely cannot forget about. Our number 2 is vitamin C. Vitamin C is the most supplemented vitamin in the world for several reasons. First of all, it is crucial for iron absorption. So getting more of this vitamin is key to improve hemoglobin levels. Vitamin C also has many other benefits for you. It is widely known for its function as an antioxidant. It actively improves immune health and protects the kidneys from oxidative stress. And it also plays a crucial role in bone healing, bone and tooth formation, and heart health. And while vitamin C supplements are usually considered safe, there is one hidden danger not many people know about. Vitamin C comes mainly in 2 forms. While one of these forms is completely safe and effective, the other one may raise your blood pressure. What to do if you're taking the wrong form of vitamin C? I've explained exactly how to solve this problem in my recent video up here. Time for our number 1 now. This vitamin is not just incredibly powerful, it's also almost never supplemented. Number 1, vitamin E. What not many people know about vitamin E deficiency is that it can cause hemolytic anemia. Vitamin E protects the red blood cell membrane from oxidative damage. While this pathology is not very common, vitamin E is also being studied as an adjunctive treatment in patients suffering from CKD and anemia. Now, what makes this vitamin extremely interesting for us is a recent study on the effects of supplementing this vitamin on creatinine levels and kidney function in CKD patients. This is an amazing result because it's actually changing the way science looks at vitamin E for kidney disease. Now, vitamin E also comes with a danger, so if you want to benefit from it, absolutely watch this video up here. I've explained all you need to know about this vitamin. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.